yakni benta jongga kubor la wanra spi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Kajing pli yaw ma nong rem rengkat ru baka jing le nyam na kamta bantai ya karam temple lene ki ying mane ble jong uram kan long hakasantri jong nailar arajar arpau. Yaw ni ma nong rem an pli da umatri rang ba du jong kari India Narendra Modi rengkat ru kajadan lang umatri rang ba jong kajala Uttar Pradesh Ajinat Yogi makam juru kinangilam jong kaniam Hindu hari India. Yakni kajing tai yakni ka temple la karshan ru da kaseng RSS ba kaseng BHP. Kum kada kajian snau tilang jong ki pa ba jong kari India la karpat ya kinong India bakin pa lani asobha kindiat ka khando bar ka nagi jaka jongki hadi malayo ya kan ka jing khot sobha na kalyang jong u dalai jaka ilaka natyang bakam juru udalai jong ilaka juai kila pa kindiat ka khando bar ka ya ka balatong na ka wa mentru bakam juru na ka wa mentang Hawekran bat Pradip Thakur ubelang udkhot jaga RSS oleh thu boloyo ya ka jing priang sobha na kalyang jong dalai jaka natyang bakam juru udalai jong juai bakin pa sobha Kindiat ka khando ba kindiat ka ya ka balatong nakawa mentang ba kamjuru nakawa mentru.
Mr. Pradip Thakur.
Yeah, Pradeep.
So I'm calling from Shillong actually.
Shillong.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm calling from news channel called Rihasi channel.
Rihasi, yeah.
Yeah. I think a few days ago, I think you take some soil from Jad Hills for that Ayodhya temple, no?
Yeah, it's a work of Dolo actually. He got information from Delhi, from Uttar Pradesh.
Yeah.
So he sent water and soil from here.
Water?
Yeah, water and soil.
Not soil.
Yes, both of things.
Water and soil.
Yeah.
From that river Mentudu.
Yeah, river Mentudu and another one is Nartyang.
Nartyang.
Both of Dole they send for the Ram Mandir.
Okay. How did they send? In what way did they send to Ayodhya, to Delhi, to Uttar Pradesh?
It's by courier post.
Oh, courier post.
Yeah.
So that water and the soil will be used for that inauguration by Prime Minister, no? On the 5th of August.
For the,
Means you are taking from all over India.
Yeah, it's all over India. Because they respect, because our Rama is not from the anyone.
Mm-hmm.
All over India now.
Yes.
There in Jaintias, other people they give their children's name Ram, Lakshman.
Yes.
So there may be connection now.
Okay.
So this is the reason they are want to send there, because Rama's temple is the most awaited temple in this Indian history. Near about 500 years,
Yes.
waiting for that temple.
Hawekran budalai jaka natyang oleh thu bakani kajing pa ya ka khando bar ka kalong kum kadak banyak snok tilang na kamta kajing tali jong kari India.
Hello.
Hello.
Di hidi dalai natyang no?
Hi.
Oh, imang. Nga kerengan na po na Shillong mo.
Hi.
Nakatuka Rihasi channel ko ay kubor.
Hi.
So ngi pergi menggini kismi baladem. Si para ka bat ka kendo mo si sipo Ayodhya nei. Nang katong para pinaglang jong ka ilaka natyang na dollarship na kum nusara to.
Gato to ngira nam ta ka sinong king.
Senang natyang. Sia para kanu ka kendo kanu ka sai ka bon jung bon.
Ni ai tang si tu hau botol ba si 10 liter.
Hai.
Te ka kendo tang citro king.
Kan ka kendo ko pia sim nei na wa mentru.
Em na wa mentang king.
Kamu wa mentang ka ba po ka ilaka natyang.
Poel kan.
Nang gani kinra na ka benta ka to ka Ayodhya ne ka kipenekam hanukam.
Na ka benta ka Ayodhya king.
Nang
Kamut ke unity king bangi don ka we gajing ka unity bangi pha. Bangi trelang don sin tang kata ka jimut to.
Oh.
Namar bana ka to ka terus ba phau Ayodhya ki ong wa kino ki wa. Ni ki kendo bo don hapo ka benta jong gari ki bakwa ban donate kina ban pha king. Mesta bak. Dang no ya ka to ka foundation aga tantrik ni.